At the outset, I would like to welcome all the members of the 11th House. I am deeply thankful to both sides of the House who have elected me unanimously, irrespective of party affiliation. In the words of Patel by J. Patel, election to the chair is the greatest honor which is within the power of Legislative Assembly to confer. I am also equally overwhelmed by the warm praises showered on me by the honorable members on my election to this dignified chair that I will be occupying. And I have no hesitation to say that today I am indeed very proud that I could gain the confidence and trust of the members of this august House. And I humbly submit to the wisdom of all the other members of this august House who have reposed their faith and trust on me and found me fit to occupy the post for the second time. It will be my endeavor to see that the privileges and interests of the august House and the legislature is protected and uphold the traditions of the parliamentary democracy. It will also be my endeavor to gain the confidence of all the members of this august House and look into their interests irrespective of party affiliation. At the same time, I also look forward to constructive advice and suggestion from both sides of the House. We all know the Meghalaya Legislative Assembly has also the reputation of being one of the most disciplined House in the country. I am sure we will continue maintaining this tradition coupled with good standard of debate. I also look forward to work with you, Honorable Speaker, and extend my hand at any time in need. I believe with your maturity, calm, and vast experience in public life, it is indeed an honor and a privilege for me that I will be working and sharing the dais with you. In the last but not the least, I thank Almighty God for blessing this House with three outstanding biblical figures: Thomas as a speaker, and Timothy as a deputy speaker, and Paul as minister. On this occasion, I would like also to invite all other members of this august House to join me for dinner today at Courtyard by Marriott at 7:30 p.m.